Want to see who you recently unfollowed on Instagram? First, open Instagram on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select Account Center. Scroll down and tap your information and permissions. Now tap Export your information. Next, tap Create Export. Choose Export to Device. Then select Customize Information. Tap Clear All, and then select Only Followers and Following. Tap Save. Now choose the date range you want. Make sure your email address is added for the confirmation. Then tap Export. Instagram will ask for your password, so enter it to continue. Now Instagram will process your request. You'll receive an email notification once your data is ready. This usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. When the data is ready, tap Download. Open the Files app on your phone and locate the downloaded file. Open the unzipped folder, then go to Connections. Next, select Followers and Following. Inside, open the Recently Unfollowed Followers folder. Here you'll see the usernames and dates of the accounts you unfollowed. And that's it.